Hey, it's Randy. I'm back. This is Randy from the Wanderlodge Owners Group, and I got a package a minute ago with UPS, and we had to sign for it, so it must be really important. But it's not very heavy. It's pretty light, and I don't know what it is. We're going to open this up, so hang on right there. Get my little pen knife out. This is my daddy's knife. Well, let's see what we got. I'm gonna put it down on the floor. Packed well. Of course, Molly wants to talk to everybody. Hey, say hey, Molly. Say hey to everybody. Oh, you already have? Oh, what's that? Batteries. Something else. A little plug. I don't know what that is. Oh, wow, we have all. What is this? Nice job on, whoops. Something else just fell out. Like Christmas, but better. Oh, well. Okay, so the batteries fell out back there. Oh, there's a remote control or something. Hold on. Let's see what we got. Brand new rags here. Camouflage tape on there. 4 batteries. Okay, I see what there's a clock here, and then there's some, looks like a remote or something. Remote control doodad. Oh no, the tape stuck to the little hands. Gotta be careful with those hands. So, look at this. Custom made clock. A riveted aluminum. And look at the paint on that, would you? Holy cow. So it's got LED lights on the inside, and I think you can change the color. That's what the remote control thingy does. And it's got these little standoffs to hold it away from the wall. So I'm sure it must glow, just absolutely glow behind. So you want to step into the sun? See. This was made by a WOG member, a master metal shaper, builds some really cool ass custom cars for some really high-end clients. And he made this and donated it to us. And we're gonna auction this off at the WOG rally to the highest bidder for your man cave, your living room, your shop, or whatever you wanna do with it. It's absolutely beautiful. Man, he did such a nice job on this. I'm gonna step into the sun and see how bright it really goes. Okay, we're gonna go out on the front porch. I should have brought my sunglasses. Holy cow, is that thing ever bright. Look at that. Is that ever nice? If you ever wanted a Wanderlodge clock, this is the one to have. So we're gonna plug this in when it gets dark. It's bright out here, and hang it on the wall so you can see what it looks like in color with the lights on, with the backlighting. Beautiful. Thank you, Von Hitch. Hey, I'm back. We unboxed that Bluebird, the Bluebird clock earlier, and that was of course during daylight, and now it's dark, and we wanted to show you what it looks like at night. So Carol's out in the front yard. I'm on the front porch. This is the staircase coming into our house, and here's the dogs, and Tommy the cat is right behind her. But I'm gonna walk right down here. How badass is that? It's backlit with these little LEDs, and we got this little remote control here. Changes colors. It'll flash, and it'll do all kinds of stuff if I was smart enough to do it. Yeah, got to get a little closer. There's about 20 colors. There it goes. So we're gonna raffle this off or auction it off at the big Wanderlodge rally coming up in a week or so. So this is hanging on the wall. You know, on a different color wall, of course, it'll stand out different. And Molly has to talk to us now. Anyway, that's some. Well, we were outside with this hanging on the wall and videoing with a smartphone, iPhone, and somebody called and shorted the video. It turned off. So we just gave up out there because the dogs in the neighborhood were all barking. But anyway, here's what we have. Custom made by a famous car builder, and he donated it. He has a wonderful Wanderlodge, and we're going to auction this or raffle it or something at the rally that starts in a couple of weeks up in Pine Mountain, Georgia. We have 120 coaches there every year, with the rallies ongoing for like 25 years, and everybody loves a Bluebird clock, and this is really special. There's not another one made. It's a signed. He put his little signature here, Von Hitch #1. There it goes. But see, all that's all riveted, and it's got LEDs, and these little hangers and bumpers to hold it off the wall. Really special piece. So bring your money. We're gonna auction this bad boy off, and it is beautiful. All right, so don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment down below, and we'll see you at the rally in a couple of weeks. Thanks for watching.